When it comes to creative work, performance and color accuracy are essential. The best laptop for photo editing delivers powerful processors, high-resolution displays, and precise color reproduction, ensuring every image is rendered with stunning clarity and professional quality. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Apple 13-inch laptop. The Apple 13-inch laptop with the M4 chip is a powerhouse for anyone seeking a seamless photo editing experience. Its lightweight design and long-lasting battery, lasting up to 18 hours, make it ideal for working on the go without compromise. The M4 chip delivers remarkable speed and efficiency, allowing users to edit high-resolution images, switch between multiple apps, and manage complex workflows effortlessly. Its 13.6-inch liquid retina display supports over 1 billion colors, providing exceptional accuracy for editing photos where every shade and tone matters. Images appear crisp, detailed, and true to life, which is critical for creative professionals. The MacBook Air is also built around Apple Intelligence, a suite of tools that helps optimize productivity and enhances workflow efficiency, while protecting your data with advanced privacy features. Beyond performance, the laptop's camera, microphone array, and 4-speaker system with spatial audio ensure crystal-clear video calls and immersive sound, making it versatile for content creation beyond editing. The slim and portable chassis is complemented by a premium aluminum build, giving it both durability and elegance. Whether you're retouching portraits, adjusting color grading, or handling large image files, this laptop maintains smooth performance and remarkable responsiveness. Number 2. Acer Nitro Laptop. The Acer Nitro Laptop is an excellent choice for photo editors who need robust performance and a visually striking display. Equipped with the Intel Core i7-13620H processor, it handles multitasking with ease, whether you're running multiple photo editing applications, managing large RAW files, or streaming creative content. Its GeForce RTX 4050 graphics card enhances rendering speeds and visual quality, making color grading and detail work smoother and more precise. The 15.6-inch Full HD display with a 165 Hz refresh rate provides vivid colors, sharp contrast, and fluid motion, allowing you to see every detail while editing. The laptop's 16GB DDR5 memory and 1TB PCIe Gen 4 SSD offer ample space for storing large projects and ensure quick access to files. With support for Thunderbolt 4 and fast connectivity options including Wi-Fi 6 and Killer Ethernet, this laptop keeps you connected and capable of transferring data quickly. Its advanced cooling system ensures performance remains consistent during extended editing sessions, preventing throttling and maintaining stability. Number 3. HP Stream Laptop. The HP Stream Laptop is a budget-friendly option for casual photo editing and general multimedia use. Powered by Intel's Celeron N150 processor and 16GB DDR4 RAM, it can handle basic image editing, multitasking, and smooth navigation across multiple applications. While it's not designed for highly demanding workloads, it performs well for entry-level photographers, students, or hobbyists who need a functional and lightweight device. The 416GB combined storage, including 128GB eMMC, 256GB docking station, and a 32GB microSD card adapter, offers flexibility in storing photos, documents, and other essential files, making it easy to organize your digital library. Intel UHD graphics provides decent color reproduction and sharp visuals for standard photo editing, while the 720p HD camera allows for clear video calls and online meetings. Its lightweight design ensures portability for everyday use, whether at home, school, or a cafe, and fast connectivity options make it easier to download and transfer files efficiently. Number 4. Lenovo IdeaPad Laptop. The Lenovo IdeaPad laptop is designed for users who need a versatile and powerful machine for photo editing and productivity.
Its Intel Core i5 processor with 10 cores and 12 threads ensures smooth multitasking and high-speed performance, while Intel Iris Xe graphics delivers crisp visuals and accurate color reproduction essential for creative work. The 15.6-inch Full HD touchscreen provides sharp detail and intuitive control, ideal for photo editing applications that benefit from precise touch input. Up to 40 GB RAM and 2.5 TB storage offer exceptional performance and space for large image libraries, enabling you to work on multiple files simultaneously without lag. The IdeaPad's range of ports, including USB-C 3.2, USB-A, HDMI, and SD card reader, ensures compatibility with external drives, cameras, and other devices, enhancing workflow efficiency. Preloaded with Windows 11 Pro and Microsoft Office Lifetime License, this laptop is ready for both work and creative projects. With enhanced productivity tools and security features, its design balances functionality and comfort, with a responsive keyboard, numeric keypad, and a camera privacy shutter for secure video calls.
Number 5. HP 17-inch laptop. The HP 17-inch laptop is an ideal device for photographers and content creators who require a large, detailed display and high-performance hardware. Powered by the AMD Ryzen 5 7430U processor and AMD Radeon graphics, it handles intensive photo editing tasks, multitasking, and streaming with smooth, reliable performance. Its 32GB DDR4 RAM and 1TB NVMe SSD provide fast load times, responsive performance, and ample storage for extensive image libraries, ensuring that large projects open and save without delay. The 17.3-inch Full HD display delivers vibrant colors and sharp detail across a wide screen area, making it perfect for photo editing, presentations, and detailed visual work. Anti-glare technology reduces eye strain during long sessions, while the extra screen real estate enhances workflow efficiency, allowing for multiple application windows to be opened simultaneously. Preloaded with Windows 11 Pro, the laptop provides strong security, advanced management tools, and productivity features, including AI Copilot, which helps summarize information, organize tasks, and streamline creative processes. The HP 17-inch laptop also comes with a full suite of connectivity options. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.